Hi everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. In today's exciting video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen my tools. How I do it, how I sharpen my tools. Yeah, how I sharpen my tools. Alright guys, what I've done is I took a piece of wood, you know, just I forget what they call it, MDF or, yeah, something like that. Board, just, you know, that board they press together. It don't matter. You can make it out of any wood you want. All right, as long as it's flat. All right, you need a flat surface, a little round. Put a little recess in the back of it so it'll fit on your chuck. If you don't have a chuck, you could use a worm screw to put it on your lathe. All right, now I'm going to show you how this works, okay? And how I use it to sharpen my tools. Now, I've used regular sandpaper, just regular paper sandpaper. Mainly because it is a really fine grit. All right, now, tools cost a lot of money, you know. Well, depending on what tools you got, you know, even the cheap ones are expensive for lathes. So you want to make them last as long as you can. And you still want to be able to get that great edge, you know what I mean? Now, I know a lot of people use their bench grinders. I got a bench grinder right over there, and really, to be honest with you, I don't like using it to sharpen my tools. I prefer this because, look at it this way, you know, have you guys ever gone over and watched a knife maker make his knives and stuff, and they beautiful knives? I've seen some beautiful knives here on YouTube. When they go to sharpen, they use a belt sander. And a belt sander will remove metal, but it doesn't remove it as fast as a bench grinder does. You know, it doesn't eat that steel away so fast, and it doesn't get as hot. This is what I found to be the best. I'm going to show you how I use it, and that'll explain it a lot better than I can with words. I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to bring you back, and you can see how I do it. It's a really cheap, easy way to sharpen your tools without eating a lot of metal off from your tools, okay? It's not my idea. I didn't invent it. And to be honest with you, I've seen it on YouTube. So I'm just sharing with you what I've already learned. I'm sure there's a lot of you wood turners that already do this. You know, for those of you that do, you know what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't, you gotta check this out. All right, I'll bring you back. Hey, here we are. As you can see, I got it reverse chucked in there. And now you could use that red sandpaper, like this stuff here. Well, they make discs. Personally, if you're going to use this, that's fine. It'll probably last longer. And you can get the big discs like this at like Home Depot or Lowe's or Menards, I imagine would carry them. Personally, I like the regular paper sandpaper because as you use it, it wears out and it gets finer and finer grit. So basically, it almost changes grit as you're using it. And you do have to change it faster. That's what I like about it. I'm just saying, you know, and it's cheap to get. Make one of these, guys. Just make one. I'm going to show you how it works, all right? Here we go. All right, just take it just like you would if you were going to use it to make something. And you just get your bevel on there. And you spin it around. See? And you do that. Get that shine on it. See that shine? And then you can see where you're not getting it at. So you can always come back and razor sharp. Razor sharp. It's a nice burr on it. And it's fast. Best part about it is that you're not eating up your tool. See, and that's finished. That's razor sharp. I can use that now until it gets dull again. Once it gets dull, I just throw this back on there and resharpen it. Bad part about this is that if you only have one lathe, it's kind of a pain in the butt because, well, then you got to take the piece off you're working on to resharpen if you have to. But if you guys with the bigger lathes have a mini lathe, this is a good setup. This is a really good setup for sharpening. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope this explains something that might help you. If it don't, well, you know, at least I tried. I appreciate y'all watching, and I really appreciate the support of all my subscribers. You guys are great. If you're not a subscriber and you've enjoyed yourself, maybe you consider subscribing. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.